Hello guys, welcome back to Punlok Engineer channel. Today I have something new for sharing to everyone for improvement of the knowledge. It's me from Cambodia country. I'm very excited that I have a time for get interview about my topic today. So I would like to show about my topics that I want to show it in the public speaking also. The topic today is talk about the electrical and electronics engineering knowledge. That is the sentence that I would like to take it to show to everyone before everyone select the incorrect or wrong the skill for learning. Example like I learned at this primary school until secondary school, until high school, and until university or institute. I'm always thinking about the way that make me successful and improving also my salary or increase money for feeding my family. And actually also makes me to be successful with the real skill. Yes, I would like to show two options in my concept. Yes, the first one is advantage. Second is disadvantage. Everyone must be thinking about the way that makes you successful by what? By advantage or by disadvantage? It's not connected to something like that. It's connected to your mind. So like somebody needs you to have when they get the dangerous, they get to difficult situation of the time, no limits. How can you do? You want to leave him alone, or you want to help him to get the safety or encourage to get improvement together? It's up to you. But two points, it means thinking the method of the mind that you think is positive way from the God or body has give us to be respect, to be sharing, to be happy, to be help each other and environment. Yes. And the one is the advantage. You must be thinking the skill that can be like this. Everyone must to be thinking the positive way and possible way. Don't be think the impossible way. Impossible way will be bring you far away to the heaven or to the hell. To the heaven when you have a lot of money and you have each other, have environment, have something like that, and sharing everything, and then you can get into the world, right? Heaven, right? When you bad mind, you bad with the sharing, bad everything. You with God, the God the help, yeah, like that. So the finally, you just be confident on yourself and make sure with something that with the bad habits and correct something that not good for you. Okay, thank you very much for paying attention with my topic today. I hope everyone likes it. Please subscribe and like, share Punlok Engineer channel. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, thank you very much for your paying attention with my video that provide all of you about the knowledge of electrical and electronic engineering. So God will be bless all of you with the good luck. Thank you very much.